Hello, everyone. Congratulations on your admit to the University of Michigan. I'm sure all of you are very excited for joining on campus this fall. Starting off with my introduction, I'm Prathapal. I'm a graduate student here pursuing Masters in Aerospace Engineering at the University of Michigan, and I'll be graduating in this December 2022. Today's video topic is on career fairs, which is a very important and very common event that is organized all throughout the academic year at the University of Michigan on multiple occasions. Career fair, what is it? So basically, a career fair is an event that is hosted by the university or either entirely or some organizations of the university host it. And it is a platform where the employers from all across the globe come and interact with the students who can be a potential recruit for their companies, for the positions and the programs that they offer. That's also the same platform where the students who want to have industrial exposure, research experiences, internship or fellowship can also talk to the recruiters who work in the companies that line up with their domain of engineering or domain of studies. So in this video, I'm going to talk about some of the tips that help me in doing well during the career fair interviews and stuff like that. So I would just share my screen right now and talk about the same. So starting off with career fairs, like I mentioned, happened multiple times over the academic year. And this is the site at the University Career Center that mentioned all the, list out all the different University of Michigan career fairs that are scheduled for that entire term. For example, you can see you have consulting and finance career fair, you have the fall engineering career fair. Similarly, you have career fair for different other schools. I am more accustomed to the ones from College of Engineering, being an engineering graduate student. But there are career fairs for law students, you have for University of Public Health, you have University of Nursing, and almost all the schools that University of Michigan offers studies for. Starting off with the tips that I mentioned, these are some of the steps that I personally follow during my career fair, and that has proved to be very helpful so far. Step one is sign up for the career fair. Generally, the list of companies are released at least 2 weeks prior to the event, or it can be even a month before the event. So you can check out all the companies that are coming for that particular career fair at that particular date. That's what step two is about. And the step two also includes going through all the companies and figuring out what are the top 5 companies that you will prioritize the most. And most of them should be curated, I'm guessing, generally towards your field of study. So if there are any companies between, for me, mechanical versus aerospace, I would choose to talk to the ones from aerospace before that of the mechanical ones. So prepare a ranking list for the priority companies that you have, and then move on to step 3, that is choose your sessions. So that is something you should be very careful about because sessions get filled very quickly. So you have to be very specific. Your most priority company should be the first one that you choose a session for. Then is do your own research about the companies that you are interested in. So that includes going to that company's or institution's career website and seeing what are the job postings they have available for now. Which of those are suitable for the skill set that you currently possess, and which are the ones that you're interested in. Then prepare a document of notes. A document of notes helps me always because I put the links for all the job positions that I think I am a good fit for or is aligning with my areas of interest in research and engineering. And I link all of those in that particular document. So, and I remember that, okay, I have everything listed here and these are the companies' positions that I'll be applying for. So here is a general structure that I follow for my document of notes. It's like I include the date for the event. I include the profile links. That's something because sometimes you do not have the option for submitting your resume from beforehand. So in case while you are in a conversation with them, you can always give them your ResearchGate profile or LinkedIn profile or anything that will help them understand your experiences better. And then I have the list of the companies to meet. For example, my first company is XYZ. I always note down the name of the representative of the recruiter with their contact email address or phone number. I leave the notes place blank for now. And then I, like I mentioned, link up all the available positions. From my research at that institution, I mentioned the deadlines, and notes and suggestions are the parts that I leave up for during the discussion with the recruiter himself or herself. So that if they have any tip of particular thing that I should include in the cover letter or the resume, I would include that as the suggestions and action items. If they have a particular thing that they would want me to include while applying for a position that would increase the chances of getting that job or the internship, I would include that as well. Now moving on to your step 6, that's your elevator pitch. It's a 90 seconds to 2 minutes discussion that you should prepare for yourself, so that's what describes who you are, what's your background, what do you do, and why do you think you're a good fit for the position that you want to apply to. Practice the elevator pitch and update your resume before going to the interview or the discussion session at the career fair. Step 8 is basically meeting your employers, talking about all the doubts that you have, getting them clarified, discussing potential opportunities and everything. Make sure to dress to impress, because that actually matters. Step 9, this is very important, that you send a follow-up email to make sure that you keep that connection from them, so that because they remember when, if in case you need a referral from them, file the application, you can get it from them. And lastly, complete all the action items that you have mentioned in the document that you have prepared. So with that, I'd like to conclude my video, and I hope it helps you all as well. And good luck with the fall term starting, and welcome to Michigan.